Okay, I've got the fourth wheel installed, and it goes in with its little pinion gear sticking up at the top as well. And you can see the edge of the fourth wheel interacts with the pinion on the top of the escape wheel. So that's how the escape wheel is driven. The next wheel we're going to put in then is the third wheel, and it's going to go in the same way with it. It'll have a pinion on its top spindle also, and that pinion needs to go up. Okay, we've got the wheels installed. I've got the escape wheel, and then the fourth wheel, the third wheel, and then the center wheel is attached to the bridge, which holds the upper pinion or the upper spindles for these gears. So that's the next thing we're going to install is the train bridge. All right, I finally got this installed. I had a real heck of a time getting this in because I had to get all three of these jewels had to go onto the spindles for the wheels underneath them. Plus, it had to line up with the center wheel had to go through its hole in the bottom of the base plate, and this had to line up with the screw hole, and the screw hole had to line up. And getting all three of these to cooperate at the same time to get all of them where they stayed in their lower jewels and got their spindles into the upper jewels without bending one of them, it was really difficult, but I did get them in finally. It took me about 20 minutes of finagling it around and reaching in there in the tiny recesses of that with tweezers and moving things around to getting them into place where it finally popped down there. Now I need to reinstall the ratchet wheel and the crown wheel, and then we can install the balance. All right, the train bridge is back in place. The train wheels are installed. The escapement wheel is installed. Everything is working right. I've put the ratchet wheel and the crown wheel back in place. The only thing I need to do now is put in the two screws that hold the train bridge in place, and then we'll be done with that.